softly spoken.
Hi guys, rather my good people. What's up gang? Mkwaje, na feel mko chini, sijui niweke juu ama nisonge tu nyuma. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscriber, my name is Ngari, or you can call me KEILLER, and here it's all about fun, love, and just vibing and good vibes always. Okay guys, please support me, please subscribe. Come on, watch, no, just subscribe, kindly kimbo subscribe. And for my returning subscriber, now Tov, I don't take you for granted. I don't take any of you for granted, because kuja watch my video. Wait, it's not a joke. Okay, so guys, let's cook pilau with you guys. And mbio. Yeah, and I mean napika venye I know. I'm not like that professional or anything, or I'm not at the bigger chef, but at least I know. And itakuwa tamu. So guys, stay tuned, let's cook together. So first of all, nataka tuwekelee nyama yetu. Tuwekelee nyama mbio. Kwanza acha niweke vizuri, nione place yenye inawas. I feel hapo mko sawa, and you know I have my items. Kwanza nadai tuwekelee nyama iboil kidogo. This is my dania, my saumu, sikuwa na saumu, and some kibiriti, avocado. I can also make guacamole, because pilau inadai guacamole ama kachumbari. And yeah, actually tuonyeshe manyama guys. Nekati is my meat. Napika kwa sufuria kubwa ndio hivyo. Let me wash my hands. Chafu. Okay, kupina bones ya jana ilikuwa na mabones. Hadi unaogopa kula.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction,
yeah,
don't worry.
So now you're better.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never want to look at a house in the garden.
And then guys, we can start preparing our ingredients. Today I want my pilau yonji. Okay? So I'm putting a lot of saumu,
yeah, we can still have fun now. Oh, we can still have fun now.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. The silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road.
Nyama ichemke, nitarudi, okay? Nitawaonesha after nyama imeboil ni eke hizi, nitagrate nini, kitunguu saumu na tangawizi. Kitunguu nitakatakata, nikoroge ikuwe brown kama nimefunika. But I will show you what. So guys, this is how ina boil. Yeah. So tungoje kidogo. You should watch till the end. You should, first of all, if you watch, come with just subscribe. Second of all, you should like the video if you are watching it. Third of all, you should share the video. hiyo subscribe hapo kwa TV. Akiwa save ni support. Msikue hivyo. Okay guys, watch it boil. Cause not yet. Ijaboil vizuri. Acha nitoe my spice guys. The ingredients I'm going to use ni saizi najua kutumia like spices. Kitambo sikuwa najua kutumia spices. Sikuwa najua nafaa niweke iwapi. Saizi I'm so legit. I have this is garam masala from Jumbo, black pepper, the pilau masala, and oopsie, I'm not really sure if mtu anaekanga turmeric kwa pilau. I'm yet to find out. Ebu mniambie guys, mtu anaekanga turmeric kwa rice, the pilau rice. So and also nimesema kuonyesha soya sauce. Someone told me soya sauce ndio inatumanga like pilau ikuwe so brown. Ina add the color. So I don't think naweza eka hizi ni za stew mostly. So sitatumia. And yeah, nitatumia hizo venye nimeonyesha guys. Akisi boil. Tuanze kupika. Let's wash our rice. This is the cup I was using. Neka. Second one. Tuchague sasa. Chagua guys mchele ndio isikuwe imebaki na mamawe, yani isikuwe na mamawe. Sasa nimechagua imagine I used to have ile kitu ya kuosha mchele but hiyo ilikuwa fake. So size wash as many times as you can until umeona colorless. So yeah, my rice look like this. Nimeiosha. I have washed it straight up. So guys, na feel ni kama nyama yetu imekovanga. So guys, imagine imeisha. Wacha nianze kucreate hizi vitu. Hizi vitu lazima shimshanga mtu. So nina gritia ndani. Need to be careful. Historia ya pedia jo. Chantunza lote. Kala ni. Dani ni. Dani. Uzuri wa kitunguu saumu na tangawizi. Tunakuanga na aroma, texture nzuri. You gotta be careful. Unaona? Sasa niweke mafuta yote ndani basi forget. And some paprika. Kuna some paprika. Singa mbili. You should give it some one. Tunamaliza guys hapa. Katikati. Wow, it's so good. Wow, guys, you guys are so nice. Acha awanini hivi. Tunasimama venye nimemix. So ikwe kinda golden brown. Yeah, ndo tuweke spices, then tuweke wa mchele, then tupime maji, then tufunike, then tumake kachumbari, then taoreshe ikiiva. I'm so excited. Wacha ichemke kidogo. Nitawaonyesha guys. You gotta trust me. See, you not trust. Yeah, so subscribe, comment, subscribe, like, and please comment and please share. Mini support ndio nilikuwa nawaletea video after video. So guys, I feel imekuwa brown. Watch out to the spices. So tukoroge. Yeah. Guys, imekuwa brown venye nilikuwa nataka. So, let me put in the spices. Garam masala, pilau masala, and soya sauce. So, garam masala. Now we go for pilau. And the last of all, guys, we soya sauce. Like in a dead. So dead. What? Shiva. The aroma. What I can play like 1 minute. Yours, you know, to shake so that we can put our musere. Musere ne muega, olea gole kisiko. Musere ne muega, olea gole kisiko. Aya. Musere ne muega, olea gole kisiko. Nakendige ke ukoroki. So yeah guys, actually subscribe, click that notification. Na wale wote akini sijali mnaonekana ndio tu kwa nyumba eva. Yeah. Si mtu mnajua mtu akiwa kwa nyumba anatanga venye anajisikia. Is that 1 minute imeisha kweli? Tungoje. Sawa guys. So tuweke our mchele. Then I will have to mix guys. Mimi nimeweka tuna mchele unapima hiyo. Sikuwe madogo dhani. Okay guys, we're gonna mix. So, hapa ndio naongea chumvi, ndio kama imeshika. Na feel imeshika kidogo niongeze. Guys, it's like I'm out of salt. Lakini mzee siache niko. Dufia. Umeonja. So, tunafunika hivyo. Tupunguze moto kidogo. Kidogo na fili. Hiyo sawa, si kidogo na fili guys. So katikati kichwa. So guys, let's make some kachumbari. I'm about to make what?
Yet the words you used to say turned into lies.
I'm gonna
sing to me and we'll dance out in the streets.
let me wash my onions for you guys.
Tell me something with your eyes. Please don't say There was a time when I held your hand in mine. I keep
Then I'm going to put in my bowl together. baadaye tukata onions ile but it's good. So I'm gonna mix it here. I love it. So stay tuned to onesha hadi mchele ikiiva. Si mnaona iko kwa jiko? So yeah guys, I hope you may learn, I hope you may enjoy. And yeah, that's about me like preparing my supper for tonight, and then I'm gonna show you nikisha and I'm going to eat it. When you're seeing, I wish ningekuwa hapo ama ningekuwa naweza kusambaza. Guys, this is the result. Yeah. Look at that.
Tell me something with your eyes. Tell me one more of your lies. Please don't say goodbye.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, could you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, but in the next video. Adios.